What's up YouTube, this is Dark Fox with more reaction videos. Today we're going to get into Jin Soul, Singing in the Rain. The last video that we saw, it was Kim Lip, and she totally killed it. Took the top spot for me. She did a better job than Jin in my opinion. I'm really looking forward to what the other members of Loona bring to the table. Kim Lip really piqued my curiosity. The level of talent that Loona possesses, I really can't wait to get more into it. But anyway, let's get to the video. And I gotta say, I really love their logo. Holy crap, she's gorgeous. This beat is really hitting. That drop was nice too. There we go. A little variety in the dancing. Nice. And she actually has a theme, you know what I mean? There's a lot more going on in this than Jin Soul or Kim Lip. Wow, okay. Gorgeous. That's absolutely dope, man. I'm sorry, but you could just tell a lot more time and effort was put into this. And it's absolutely gorgeous. That really paid off for this one. Wow. Blackberry. So that was another banger. The time and effort is obvious from video to video. You can tell. Obviously, it's going to take more time, more production, all the cuts, costume changes, all the shots of the fish and things like that. And then obviously that one effect that they put in there with her like in water in that blue dress, you know, kind of swimming. That's going to take more time. The members in this particular group, I think Jin, she pulled it off way better. She definitely took the #2 spot. The video was gorgeous. I absolutely love the theme that they had and the shots that they got. insane, absolutely insane. Great video. Dancing had a little bit more variety. They weren't just cycling through the same dance moves throughout the video. I'm always going to applaud that when I see it, because it's so easy to just cycle through the same ones and just slap that into a video. The singing was amazing. Her voice was really nice. It really supported the music that she went with. This one was a little bit more electronic, a little bit more dubsteppy to me. Seemed a little bit more for, you know, going out and getting on the dance floor and sweating it up and things like that. I would listen to these outside of doing these reviews and doing these reactions to them. I would listen to them in the gym or on my way to work or, you know, while working. These are some really good songs. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell at the top to make sure you get new videos coming out. Be safe, be healthy, and be courteous. All right, guys, have a good day. Peace.